I've always wanted to learn to code properly, but honestly, I've been terrified of starting. It's easy to get lost in the noise and feel overwhelmed. If you're a total beginner or just a hobbyist like me trying to figure out where to start, this is for you. Why am I doing this? It's not just about a career path. I'm chasing that feeling of solving a complex problem. Whether I'm tweaking my Arch Linux environment or figuring out how to build my own AI and other exciting projects, I want to move from just using technology to actually creating it. It's a bit scary to put this all on camera, but I'm doing it because, well, accountability changes everything. Here is the plan. I'm starting with Python. It gives me the flexibility I need to bridge the gap into building my own multimodal AI systems. It's also easier to learn because it has mostly English matching syntax and much better code error outputs. It's the perfect place to start. I'm not looking for shortcuts. I'm looking for a solid foundation. I'll be documenting the wins, the frustration, and the inevitable bugs right here. I'm nervous about this, but I'm doing it anyway. It's time to move forward. What are you working on right now? Are you learning something that scares you or just trying to fix your workflow? Let me know in the comments. Let's grow together.